Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm up here in the living quarters in Voices of the Void in version 0.9.0 to fix the oven. Your wonderful home cooking utensil here in the main living quarters is broken. We're going to talk about how to fix it. We're going to use a screwdriver, which I have from the garage, and we're also going to use the hammer, which I also have from the garage. So we're going to click on this panel, and we're going to actually get out of this panel and re-equip the screwdriver and click on this panel again. And we're going to unscrew this panel so that we can remove it. Now we have to align the red dials with the blue dials. So now we're going to need to get out the hammer for this next portion, wherever I put the hammer. Alright, so the next portion that we need to do, we got to have, technically I think we're supposed to have bare hands. Let me put away this hammer. We need to connect the red wires on the right-hand side with the blue wires on the left-hand side, but we have to use our ears. So we click on the red wires, and then we have to connect them to the blue. If we hear a zappy sparky sound, it's the wrong wire. So that one's good. That one's wrong. So we'll redo that one. Still wrong. Okay, so number 2 is correct. If you hear nothing, no sparky zappy sound when you click to connect it to the blue side, it's correct. Okay, so the middle goes to the top. This one goes to not that one. There we go. Now the next thing we need to do, I actually looked at my notes that I had written down here from my other save. It was a wrench, not a hammer. My apologies. And we want to go in here, and we're going to click to lock down these blue pegs in place. And just like that, we have a functional oven, which we can turn on and off. And don't do that though without anything in there to cook, because you'll burn the place down and start a crazy fire. Also, don't forget to get your bonus sandwich from inside, the delicious chicken sandwich that you can literally nom on. It's even though it's been in there for God knows how long, you can hold it and you can eat it. And then I recommend, if you don't eat the whole thing, putting it in the fridge so it doesn't go bad, because food, if you're unaware, can rot in this game. And then there you go. You can then use this lovely cookbook in order to figure out how to cook different things and use this oven to its fullest potential. Cooked food lasts longer. You don't get hungry as fast. And somebody told me there's hidden buffs to it. I haven't verified that, so take that with a grain of salt. So I hope you found this helpful. This has been how to repair the oven, the screwdriver that you need, and the wrench that you need are both found in the garage when you first start playing the game. I hope you didn't sell them by mistake. So that'll be it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one. And this is still version 0.9.0. It's important to share that information because this game changes dramatically from version to version. So it's good to align your tutorial with the same version of the game that you're playing. So bye, everybody. And don't forget to do the likey, subscribey thing.